A box of mass m kg sits stationary on a rough plane. The plane is inclined at an angle of theta to the horizontal. Okay, plane is inclined at angle theta. Coefficient of friction is mu. Show that when the box is on the point of slipping, theta is equal to tan inverse mu. Okay, so let's take a plane like this. Actually, the plane is inclined, right?
Yes.
So let's keep the box like this, and this is actually inclined, correct? So now it's inclined, and now let's take all the forces. So what are the forces acting? This force is downwards. Downward force is how much? Mass m kg is acting on this, so mg will be the downward force. Then normal reaction will be here like this. This is the normal reaction. Let's call it as R, and it is just at the on the point of slipping. It is at the point of slipping. So that means friction will act in which direction? Downward or upward? It's trying
Upward.
to slide downwards. This is the,
so like upwards.
Yeah, this is the tending motion. So friction will be opposite to the tending motion, and because
Yes.
it is about to slip, this will be equal to mu times R, correct?
Yes.
Are there any other forces acting? No other forces acting, no?
No.
So this angle he is telling it is theta. Same angle will come over here, right?
Yes.
So now yeah, now we again have to take x axis, y axis. So shall we start with y component, sigma y? Okay, so sigma y, what are the components? R is acting upwards. Component of mg, that is mg cos theta, it is acting opposite to y direction, so minus. This is along x axis, it won't have any y component, so total should be 0. R will be mg cos theta. Next, if you take x components, mu into r is acting in positive x direction. R will not have any x component. mg, so mg sin theta, है ना? mg
Yes.
sin theta, it is acting opposite to x direction, so minus. This also should be equal to 0. So mu r equals mg sin theta, and if we substitute the value of r here and send it to the other side, we get mg sin theta divided by r, and r is equal to mg cos theta, correct? The mg and
Yes.
mg will cancel. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So that proves that theta is equal to tan inverse mu. So hence, therefore, or hence proved. Okay.